In today's video, now we are going to be looking at the exterior angles of different polygons with more so triangles or quadrilaterals. And what an exterior angle is it's an angle outside of the um, the polygon, right? You extend one of the sides, and it's the angle formed on the outside of the polygon. So this is the inside of it. This is the outside. Inside, outside, inside, outside. So that's why they're called exterior angles. So we're going to use what we know about angle measures of straight lines, triangles, quadrilaterals, and knowing those facts and applying those to filling out these diagrams. So I'm going to solve for x in each of these scenarios. Now with this, you notice, look at this. They form a straight line. A linear pair is 180 degrees. Right? So I know this is 180 degrees. So to solve for this angle, all you would have to do is 180 minus 34, which is 146. No, 46, excuse me. 46 degrees. Okay. And that's it for that. All right. So nice and simple. You know a straight line, right? There's 180 degrees and just a simple subtraction problem to figure out what x is. This one may be required multiple steps, but I'll show you maybe a shortcut you might use later on. Okay, so we have a triangle here. We have this exterior angle here. We don't know what this is. We could figure out what this is, right? Because we know this is 180 degrees here, right? 180 degrees. So to figure out what this is, you got to do 180 minus 77, which is 103 degrees. All right, so now I know this is 103 degrees. Now, knowing that fact, I got two angles inside of a triangle, right? So a triangle is 180 degrees. So to figure out what this is, I do 180 minus 103. What was the other one? Minus 53, which is 24. So this angle right here is 24 degrees. Another shortcut you could have done, because what do you notice about these two right here? 24 and 53, they add up to, look at that, the exterior angle, 77. So that's a shortcut. So another way you could have gotten this was by taking 77 minus 53, and you get 24. Okay, that's a shortcut. All right. The two non-adjacent interior angles are going to add up to the exterior angle. Okay, so yeah, the exterior angle is gonna. I meant to say that the exterior angle is gonna be the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. Okay, we can use that in the future. All right, this one. Okay, again, this is 148, right? We could use our shortcut with this one as well, right? We have 148. And we could figure out what this is. This is 90, right? 148 minus 90 is 58. So this should be 58 degrees. And we could double check. So we could do, again, 180 minus 48, right? 180 minus 148, excuse me, is 32. This is 32 degrees, right? 32 plus 90 plus 58, again, same thing. 32 plus 90 plus 58, that adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, so different ways you could do these problems. Just know that there is sometimes a shortcut when you're doing these, okay, if you know about the exterior angle theorem. All right, let's take a look at another diagram. Nope, didn't mean to do that. Oh, right here. Let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see it. All right. Okay, right here, we have a linear pair. They form a straight line. So I'm going to add those together to equal 180 degrees. So 7x minus 12. I'm going to line them up vertically. 10x minus 46. Add those together to equal 180 degrees. All right. Yep, negative 12 and 40. Yep, all good there. Line down the equal sign. Add 58 to both sides. And we have 17x is 180 plus 58. 238. Divide both sides by 17. 14. Okay, that's just x, but I want to figure out, I want to complete the diagram. So 7 times, so I'm going to plug it back in up here, all right, into this one and into that one, right? So 7 times 14 minus 12. 7 times 14 minus 12 is 86. This is 86 degrees. Okay. Now I can figure out what this angle is by doing, we know there are 360 degrees in a quadrilateral. Remember, this is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we can do that by doing 360 minus 87 minus 108 minus 86, all right, to figure out the missing angle here. All right, so why don't we do that in our calculators? We have 360 minus, I forgot the numbers. Let me try to do this on the side here. There we go. Kind of. There we go. There we go. Minus 87, minus 108, minus 86, which is 79 degrees. So right here is 79 degrees. All right. And for giggles, we could figure out what this is too, right? 10x minus 46. 10x minus 46 is 14, right? 10 times 14. 14 minus 46 is 94. So this is this is 94 degrees. And that makes sense because these two are a linear pair. They add up to 180, right? But this is what we wanted to find at the end. All right. So basically, we're just using our skills of what we know about triangles, what we know about a linear pair. Again, the important numbers you need to know with these are 180 degrees is a linear pair, right? And 360 is a quadrilateral. 180 is a triangle. And just using what we know to fill out the diagrams. And you could use the exterior angle shortcut, right? These two angles, that means these two angles right here are going to add up to the exterior angle, not adjacent to them. So good little shortcut for you guys. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And always remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.